James Bond, and today's mission is playing with fire. Let's go to the lab.
Hi there, welcome to my lab. Let's make black snake fire. What you'll be needing is 40 grams of sugar, 10 grams of baking soda, a bowl of sand, any lighter fluid, and a lighter or matches. First step is to mix the sugar and the baking soda. Next, we have to soak our sand with our lighter fluid. Now we have to make a mound of our sugar and baking soda on top of the sand. Now take your matches or lighter and light the sand up. And remember, always have parent supervision. Let's look at the science behind the experiment. When the baking soda gets hot, it creates carbon dioxide, or CO2. But the gas bubbles get trapped, which produces a snake-looking result that comes out of the fire. The snake is black because the sugar is caramelized by the heat.
Wow, that was amazing. The smell after it smells like burnt cotton candy. But make sure that you don't touch it until it's fully cooled off because it is very hot. Thank you for joining me on this mission.
James Bond. James.